Hello there everyone. Today we're gonna be driving in snow. As you can see, the roads are covered and I'm just gonna show you how to conduct yourself behind the wheel. Now I'm parked at the side of the road and I intend to leave. My door is closed, I have my seat belt on, and now we're gonna leave. The car is already on. So I place my right foot on the brake, and then I get rid of my parking brake. Then I select my gear, put it in drive, then I signal to the left, and then I check my rear view mirror. There's someone right on my bumper, so if there was someone right in front of me right now, I'd be stuck. Thank goodness there's no one, so I have enough room to leave. So I signal, mirror, there's a car in my blind spot, so I'll wait for that car to go. And then I recheck and it's good. So now I can leave. Okay. Next street down is a right turn, so I signal to the right, mirror, blind spot to the right, check again, then I turn into my street, hand over hand steering, and as you can see, the street is covered in snow. I've got quite a few videos on winter driving, so if you're learning to drive or you're going for a driving test, you can find these videos on YouTube. All you have to do is talk to your phone or your tablet and say driving buddy system and then the name of the topic. So if you want to learn how to parallel park, it's driving buddy system parallel parking, and then you'll see a lot of videos. Okay, we got a stop sign here. It's a four-way. I'm going straight. Stop at the stop sign because you cannot see a white line. Even if there was one, it's all covered. So just stop at the stop sign. Check left, right, and it's good. And we proceed. Now, just a warning: if my video stops suddenly, please like and subscribe anyway, based on what you have learned, what information I've given you, and then I'll see you in the next video. Right now it's fine, it's still running, so I'm able to talk you through these driving rules and tips. Now it's a left turn here, and we stop. There's a white line there. It's almost covered in snow, but I can see it, so I stop there, then check left, right, but I can't see too much, so I inch up, and now it's safe. Then I continue. Okay, now I can see the actual roadway, and the speed here is 40, so I'm doing 40. Now I'm holding. A moment ago I was holding the wheel with one hand. That's fine when you have your license, but remember, when you go for your driving test, you must hold your steering wheel at the 9 and 3 position. That's what the examiner wants to see. But of course, when you have your license, you can hold it here, you can hold it down here, you can do anything you want as long as you know the proper way. So if you're holding it the incorrect way and then you lose control, you have only one person to blame: yourself, because you know the proper way of holding the wheel. And it's very important that you hold it properly for maximum control. Whoa. Okay. I will be getting some gas, put some gas in my car. So here's a gas station. I signal right, check mirror, check blind spot, and turn into the gas station. Now my gas tank is on the left side, the driver's side. So I have to know how to place my car beside the proper pump. If you go on the wrong side, then you're gonna have a problem getting the gas into your car. So I can see that number 2 is open and my gas tank is over here. So I pull into the spot, and there it is. Now I can go out and get my gas. Okay, so I apply the parking brake, place the gear selected to park. I usually shut my fan off, and for the heating system, and then I'll turn my ignition off. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.